Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 4th, 2020, and I wanted to show you that we were doing an experiment of planting onions early. We started them, the onion sets, we planted them last month, and I did do a video for it, and I am going to be doing a playlist on my channel, so you can check that out. And I wanted to show today, you can see the onions here are growing like crazy. Now we do open this up when the sun comes out or when it's warmer out to get some airflow going through, and then we close it back up at night because we were having an issue with it started trying to mold and get Bortress blight, and that stuff happens with lack of airflow and too much moisture, so you got to get the airflow going. We can't put a fan in here because of the way this is designed, so we just open the things up and let the fresh air come through. And you can see the sweet potato plant there. This is sitting on the supply, the heat pipe that supplies the heat for the radiant floor in the greenhouse. And we knew we were losing some of the heat, so we decided to try an experiment with planting some stuff out early over top of it and covering it and seeing what happens. Now this got down, we were in the 30s already, and you can see the sweet potato vines are still doing great. Nothing happened to them, and sweet potatoes hate the cold. Normally that would have taken them right out. You can see in through here. There, you can see the onions there. You can see their sprouts. I can't take it off in the middle because we have boards laying on it so the wind doesn't rip the plastic off. And then this was, there's lettuce in here coming up, red beets, radishes. You see all the little sprouts in there. See some more. I can't show the middle bin because of the cages and the plastic. But on the same day that we planted this, we did another one, and that one isn't covered. So I want to show you what that one looks like and show you the difference. So this one here was planted on the exact same day. And this one is not covered. And you can see they're just starting to sprout. So that's a huge difference compared to the ones that are covered. Now if we covered this with plastic, they would start growing a whole lot faster. But we tried an experiment to see which ones would take off faster and which ones would grow better. So these are going to be onions for salads and different things. Whenever we need to harvest them, we're just going to pull some out and harvest them. And these right here are turnips from last fall. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that will tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!